Look a little crazy right now. I'll see how pretty that nail set right now. I just took my bonnet off. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Sky Asia, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a maintenance vlog. I'm pretty much going to be doing everything by myself except for my hair. I'm getting like the top of my hair kind of like halfway braided, but that's like it. This is my old nail set right now. It was so cute, y'all. Honestly, like, I really love this set, and I had my lashes matching this set. So cute. It's almost been 3 weeks, and everything is still holding on. As far as my toes don't even look like they grew out. I'm gonna be doing a freestyle. I kind of already have in mind what I want to do. I think I'm gonna do like all of them French tip in the color teal. And then I think I'm gonna put like some light pink and spray it, and then make some hibiscus out of white. I went to the store and I had bought me some nose rings and a belly piercing. Let me show you guys. This was the belly piercing I got. Don't mind the food on my nail, I just ate. But let me get the focus back again. Do y'all see how pretty that is? So cute. I got like 3 different nose rings. See if you guys can see. I don't know, but I got like a cross. I got another flower, except this one's L-shaped. And then I got like a Saints one. I don't know. I feel like when I think of Saints, I think of Louisiana, and that's where I'm born. So I like to get stuff that kind of looks like that. But yeah, I'm probably gonna have that nose piercing in for Six Flags. I mean, not Six Flags, for when I go to Slitterbond. And then I'm gonna bring an extra nose piercing with me just in case it falls out. And yeah, so those are the piercings I got, and I got those from Quarter to 10. And yeah, I just can't, like, this belly piercing is literally so cute. But it's $2.49. I'm hoping I'm done with my set around 5 or 5:30. I really don't think it should take long though, if I'm being honest. $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies. Okay guys, so I finally finished my nails and I feel like they look so cute. I really wanted something that wouldn't get like caught in my hair or something, because usually charms get stuck in my hair and it can be so annoying. But here are the nails. I've got teal with some pink in it, and I did like these hibiscus flowers. And they actually go super good with my toes because of the pink. But I think that's kind of all I'm gonna do tonight. I'm gonna take my braids out. If anything, I'll probably wash my hair tomorrow. Okay guys, so I just wanted to tune in. Sorry for the quality right now. I kind of just woke up. But last night I took my braids out, I washed my hair, and then I blow dried it. But she texted me and said that I didn't have to blow dry it. She told me to just wash it. I still ended up washing and blow drying my hair anyway because I like to add the cream to make my hair curly after it's been blow dried, so I get more length, because my shrinkage really gets on my nerves. But I have to start accepting my shrinkage. Like, my hair is still cute, it just looks shorter. Okay guys, I look so crazy right now because I just took my bonnet off, but I just washed my lashes and now I'm about to start my lash fill. I tried to get my client to come earlier because I feel like I'm not going to finish her set fast enough for my hair appointment, but I have faith, y'all, okay? But also because of that just gives me more time to do my lashes, which is good because that leaves me to having to do like one thing left. So I'm about to do my lashes, And I'm gonna be doing them teal to match my nails. Even the pink matches, but I'm gonna switch it up because I did pink like 2 times for my last fills, so yeah.
Look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, say yeah. Look so good tonight. Goddamn, goddamn, goddamn. I wake up looking this good.
Okay guys, my lashes are done. I feel like the blue is so cute, y'all. And it looks so cute with the nails. I was gonna do my bottom lashes, but I changed my mind. But anyways, I'll tune in when it's time to do the next thing. I have a client coming literally in like a couple minutes, so I'll be right back. So I just woke up, so I look a little crazy right now, and I've been sweating, so that's good. But it's 10:11. I had my alarm set for 9:30, but I went back to sleep because I was not feeling it, y'all. This is a hair though. I like it. At first, I wasn't feeling the zigzag, but it's cute, like when you actually look at it. So I need to show you guys the swimsuit. I'm not wearing those shorts. Okay, y'all, this is a swimsuit. Okay, it's cute. Nah, this is too cute, y'all. And for my shoes last time, I feel like my sandals kept coming off. So I'm wearing these sandals that have like a strap and everything on it. So I shouldn't even have to worry about my sandals coming off unless when I'm ready to get into like the beach pool and stuff. All right, I'm about to take these out though and put in my new nose piercing and my new belly piercing. Y'all, look, mamas. Hi, Mookie. Oh, my baby. All right, y'all, but look. This is the nose piercing. What the heck is that? This is the nose piercing. And then this is the new belly piercing. So, now I just need to curl my hair. But, yeah, I definitely don't want my ears to just be plain. I am thinking about bringing an extra nose ring though, just in case I lose mine. You know, see, that looks so much better. I feel like you can tell it's kind of pink though, but it's okay.
Whoa, whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes. I know that you know that ain't lying. Too much respect. All of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect. I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa. She love me so much, it seems like she buys. Don't know how I live, but that's 'cause they live it to hide. Hey. 4L steps, he stepping up to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up. I still had to count it, I cannot just hide. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, that's that sex in the.
Okay, that is the end of the video. Y'all, I had to cut in because I promise you the only reason why I look crazy is because of my brows. Like, this is how my brows look when it's filled in, okay? But as you guys can see, I'm looking cute, okay? My brows are just doing something to me. It's making, like, I don't know, but this is how my brows are looking. It's the next day. I just got done washing my face, by the way, so that's why I look like this right now. But this is my hair. I had to wash it again from the water park, but yeah, super cute. It's really dry right now because I didn't do it the cute way, the way I did for the water park. I just washed it because I just wanted to get the chlorine out of my hair. But yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching.